On this 2015 BMW X5, we are patching the tire because of this small nail. The light kept coming on, so we're gonna patch it. First, we need to let all the air out from the tire, taking out the Schrader valve with a tool like this. Next step after letting all the air out is to de-bead the rim from the tire. So I've already done this side. This is how it should look. And I'm going to continue this side till it's off, then load it up here and take off the tire. Once you've de-beaded both sides, we can start taking the tire off. So you've got to bring this guy over and put this onto here. I'm doing this with one hand, so this is kind of hard to do. So I'm gonna put the camera down, but put that on there. Then we bring this down to press this down. And then we use a pry bar to get it over the rim. To make your life easier, you should mark where the valve stem is on the tire, so you don't have to rebalance it when you're putting it back together. Just keep that in mind. And that's one side. Now do the same thing to the bottom. Bottom side. And that's it. That's how you take off the tire. Make sure you press the right button. Now we assess the damage from the inside. Put the tire off. You can look at your marks that you have made on the tire to see where the damage is on the inside and take out the nail. Next step is to grind it down to make it smooth enough for the patch to sit properly and not come off. So we're going to grind this spot. As you can see, I've marked it so I know where I'm going. Grind it down to where it's smooth enough for the cement paste and the patch to sit properly. The next step is to put some rubber cement over the hole. As we can see right there, that's the hole. And then once the cement is on one layer, we put this on, which is our patch. And then once we get this top plastic layer off, we put one more layer and then put the tire back onto the rim. And that's how you patch a tire. Now that I have put one layer of that rubber cement, we have to wait for it to dry a bit, and then we go ahead and put the patch on. And once the patch is on, we have to roll on it until it gets to the point where I can take off this plastic bit. And then when that happens, we put one more layer of the cement and then wrap up the job by putting the tire back onto the rim. So let's wait for that to dry now. Once the glue has dried, we can put the patch on. I just peeled these two pieces off, one more piece fell down there. Put the sticky side down, over, try to center it onto the hole. There we go. Press it down on the edges. Now, like I said earlier, we have to roll it with this tool until the plastic piece can come off easily. And then we put one more layer of the rubber cement and put the tire back onto the rim. When it's ready to come off, you'll either be able to take it off with your fingernails if you have long enough nails, or you'll have to use a pick. So, let's see. Might be able to do it. There we go. Should all come off in one piece. Now that we have it off, this is what the patch will look like from the inside. And now we put one more layer of the rubber cement, and then we can put the tire back onto the rim. Now we let it dry for a bit, and then we can put the tire back onto the rim.